Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to shut down Gelato account. So before deleting your account, make sure to cancel your Gelato's plan to avoid future charges. So you can go to your Gelato, click your profile. If you have subscribed to something, click on subscription, click the three dots, and then cancel the plan. So confirm cancellation, you will retain access until the end of the billing cycle. Now, if you wanted to delete your Gelato account, you just have to simply go to your Gelato, go to settings, tap on settings, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you have to scroll down. So basically you have two ways right here. So if you're going to delete your account, then it will not let you delete the whole link device here. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap this one, I cannot delete this. I need to delete the company user. So you just have to simply tap this blue right here. Click this one. It will take you directly to the company user, or just scroll down and it will take you directly here. So all you have to do is to finalize your decision and then delete. Enter your password right here and then delete the account. So once you have entered the password, you may now delete your account. Take note that you cannot retrieve this one. So this will permanently erase your account and order history. Now, if you want to ensure complete removal of all personal data, you can go to your email and then send an email to privacy@gelato.com with the request, with the subject request to delete my Gelato account and data. You can add a sample message like, "Hello, Gelato team. I would like to request a permanent deletion of my Gelato account, including all personal data associated with it. My registered email is blank. Please confirm once the deletion is completed. Thank you." And that's it. Deleting your account is permanent. Make sure to download invoices or records before proceeding. If you use multiple email addresses, repeat the request for each one. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.